Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better, like you never met me. I'm doing anything.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. I'm here today with another collaboration with my group, my awesome, incredible, phenomenal group, the Makeup Mafia, and we are doing a St. Patty's Day look that you can't refuse. Let me know if you're getting my movie reference. If you know what it is, put it down in the description box. Anyways, so my Makeup Mafia, Jamie, Chip, Nona, Kimberly, and myself, and we're also having a few guests from another group, Andrea, Tara, and Diana. So I'm so excited to see everybody's looks. I can't wait to get into this. It's going to be green and sparkly and something fancy. I don't know exactly how it's going to turn out, but you guys know I go all out for my collabs, so let's just get into it and see what happens. I need the luck of the Irish, right? All right, let's get into it. Welcome to my face.
I'm going with you to 80, so when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down beats too. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Strangers. The other day I found your t-shirt, and I'd be lying if I said that it didn't hurt. But forget it goes with my short skirt, and I look good in it, baby. When you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down me too. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Strangers. So when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down me too. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Strangers.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. I'm stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love. Take a hit, take a hit, take another one. Let it in, let it fill you up. Make a wish, make a wish, make another one. Don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say everything on our mind's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. I'm stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself. Don't know what to say, things ain't the same. I felt that we lost our way, the street is two ways. And girl, and everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry, you dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much. I never thought that this would hit me so quick and hard. I never thought I'd live, I never thought I'd miss your heart. But this turned to shit that we can't fix, and girl, yeah. And everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry, you dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. Nah, there's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much. Why can't we just start this over? 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 Why can't we just start this? There's just too much pressure. Why can't we just start this? There's just too much pressure. Why can't we just start this? There's just too Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand. Just because you're sorry. Just because. You said all the words that you could have said. I'm still trying to figure out the ones you meant. Should I take a chance or will I regret this? Yeah. Will I regret it? Text messages still floating around in my head. You said that you changed, yeah, but I'm doubting. Now I'm not that sorry leaving you on red, yeah. Oh, snap. And now my heart is broken into two. I have half, but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't wanna text you that, no. Even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, yeah. But I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry. Just because. I just saw that you're out with somebody new. I should have known that something would be coming soon. I'm sorry if you thought that you could make me mad. Maybe you're the one who can't move past this. I know the truth can kinda hurt. The sum of you and someone else know isn't your worth. I thought that I could take you at your word, but instead I got my feelings burned. And now my heart is broken into two. I have half, but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't wanna text you that, even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, yeah. But I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry. Just because. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand that. Why should I take you back? I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand that. Just because.
All right, guys. This is it. What do you think? I am not sure about the exterior colors. I love my custom color of glitter. I think it's beautiful. I think all together with the Samantha lashes, I think it looks very beautiful and very festive. So, since I spent all this time creating this beautiful thing, I'm going to zoom in again. Boom, 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 boom. And we're going to start the glamour shots in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, the moon pales in comparison to you, and I don't know what I should do. Love always feels like it gets in the way, hanging out but we got nothing to say. See you tomorrow, love you through sorrow. Leave me some breadcrumbs and I swear I'll follow you. The right way is feeling so wrong, but the right way should lead me to you. 'cause if it's true, I don't know.
All right, guys, that is it for me. Thank you so much for joining me today. I always love going all out for these Makeup Mafia collabs. I love my girls. I love you girls. And thank you for those guests that joined us for this collab. From my house to yours, be safe, take care of you and your loved ones, and enjoy St. Patty's Day. I hope you have the luck of the Irish, and hopefully this is a look you can't refuse. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.
What I'll do, oh, the moon.
Media freaks have a clue what's on.
Oh my gosh, Sherri, I can't with you today. Oh my God.
Pales in comparison to